Okay, so now I'm on Project E, production sequence, and what I did was I went ahead and I did step one. So I set my document just as she specified, and then I also drew a frame from margin to margin, add the inset spacing, and added a stroke that was thick and thin and 6 points. I think it's 6 points. Oh, it's actually five. So let me make it one more. And then what she didn't seem to mention was that there's a fill color in the box, so I'm just gonna add it. It's yellow, but it's not that yellow, so I'm gonna change the tint. I think it might be like 50%. No, less. Less. It's probably like 15. Anyway, something she forgot to add, but it's not that important. Anyway, okay, so after that, let's see, do all the typing first, did that, follow then complete the example on the next page. Do not set line for line. Okay, so that was kind of an important one because up until now we've kind of been doing a lot of soft returns or forced line breaks, but in this activity there shouldn't be any forced line breaks. The text should just flow. Like for example, as you resize the document, it should be able to move around. It shouldn't stick to the line that just yeah, how do I say that? If you adjust it, it just flows. I think that's the word. It has a text flow. There's no force line break. So just to prove it to you, let me show you my special characters, my hidden characters. There's only paragraph marks at the end of each. Oh, did I make a soft return? Okay, I actually did make a soft return accidentally. It is helpful to kind of be able to look at the hidden characters. So there should be no soft returns. Next, I'm going to go ahead and format the character with the red text. First, the subtitles and the numbers are blue, and then also the subtitles are in small caps. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick because she said you want to make those changes first and then do the paragraph setting. It's really interesting to read this because I've realized I don't follow it exactly, but I see how this makes more sense. So in typing it, I learned a lot. Just wanted to say, oh, and I forgot one thing with the text frame option. I was supposed to center it. So let me do Control or Command B and make sure it's centered. And I'm going to go ahead and pause while I format. So now I basically finished all the character formatting for the whole thing. Basically, all of these points here, except for the end space. I didn't want to get into that. But yeah, so I finished all the character formatting. So now I'm going to switch to the paragraph formatting, which is really what this is supposed to focus on. So I'm going to switch in the control panel, go to my paragraph formatting controls, and then there's this option called indent somewhere right here. So you indent the whole paragraph. Oops, I only have one paragraph selected. And you only have to have part of this paragraph selected for it to affect the whole paragraph because I'm in paragraph controls. So let me go back and select the whole document, actually probably except for the title, and then indent the whole paragraph like so. And then for the first line indent, I want the first line to come out like so. And then that basically is what it looks like. And then also I need a little extra spacing between paragraphs. So let me highlight that and add a little space after. Let's see, is it working? Oh yeah, there we go. Looks better. It's probably too much space in hindsight. Okay, maybe like that. That's good. Really quick, I wanted to show you one more feature. There's something called a drop cap, and it's where the number of the first letter or number of a paragraph gets dropped down a line or two. And here's where you specify how many lines, and then also you can specify how many of the first letters get included in the drop. So if you specify 4, it's including the 1, the dot, the space, and then the F there. But those are drop caps,